While camping in Montenegro, we met a cool couple from Germany, and they had an equally cool truck camper they built using some old ladders. Today, Evelyn and David are going to give us a tour, so enjoy.
We are Lucy and Mark, and this is our van TV. We started from South Korea and drove our van through Russia, Mongolia, and now Europe. We are going to drive around the world, so why don't you join us?
Hello.
Hi.
You want to introduce yourselves?
Yes, my name is Evelyn,
And I'm David.
and we are from Germany, Essen, a big town in the west of Germany, and we travel Europe.
This is our car. We bought it this year, and we live in the roof tent on top. So this is where the electricity is. A friend of ours, you can't see it because there's too much stuff here. Our table. There's a battery here with 120 ampere hours, and the nice thing is you can see the voltage all the time. And yeah, this is the heating system in the box. It's diesel powered, and we also can use it for heating the tent. And this is the box. It's quite simple made. It's 4mm plywood, and yeah, it's far from perfect, but it works out. And we have those Euro boxes here on the top level, and with all our stuff here scattered around. And down there is a gas tank for the car. It's fueled with LPG. It's kind of more better for our money. Down in the down part of the box we have our kitchen here. You can pull it out like 1 meter, but now we are still connected to the gas, so it's cannot take it out the whole way. And we have some a box with tools over there, and the fridge my parents bought it. It's quite big. It's all right, but we have winter time, so we switch it out. We turn it off in the night, so it's all right with our battery volume. Yeah, it's a little bit too low here. We have to lift the car a little bit more, maybe. Yeah, and yeah, it's a tent. It's quite comfortable from the size. You can easily sit there upright, and yeah, it's quite comfortable. And it's easy to fold it down. You just throw it over here, and then it's closed. And then you have to close this one as well. And then we have the cover, and then it's all done. It just takes some minutes.
Can you tell us how long did it take you to build?
Yeah, about 4 or 5 weeks.
Yeah,
But we had to.
wait a lot for orders, and
Yeah,
it was not 5 weeks of building.
It was not actually 5 weeks building it, but yeah, we had to repair the car, some parts,
Yeah.
and yeah. So we wanted to make that sure that it works. Yeah, and it's actually the inside is made of aluminium leather, and I cut that leather into parts, and it was perfect for yeah, for the construction, because it's already, the leather itself is already some brings some structure with it. So we just had to screw the parts together, and we had a box, and that was kind of a good idea.
And cheap, so we bought
it
them
was really-
second hand, and
Yeah, the second-hand ladders were not so expensive. Like if you if you buy the aluminium parts new. The truck is an import, US import. It's Dodge Dakota, 5.2 liters, V8. Quite a strong car, but it's 20 years old, so we had some problems with it already. But yeah, the engine is quite strong, so it doesn't break. This one was made from bicycle hose, and we just cut it in the length, and then it worked quite well because it's flexible and thin enough. Because I was trying some other materials and was buying them, and they never worked out. But the bicycle hose was perfect. So.
Yeah.
How did you waterproof this?
This is
Epoxy.
epoxy glass fiber mats and epoxy, and in the end we put some
Paint.
paint on it, some like 3 layers of paint. And here we not screwed this on the car. It's only held down by 4 of these here, so it's not screwed on. Because if you fix it permanently on the car, you have to you have some problems because you in Germany they have to adjust the paper and change the paper. So like if you make it like this, if you can take it off easily, then it's only like a load. It's treated like a load, and then you have no problem.
So this slides out too, I guess. Huh?
Yeah, but I broke it already when while building it. Yeah, like draw as well, but I cannot take it out anymore because it's broken. But it's no problem because we only have the fridge here and some towels behind it, and I can get the towels from the other side as well. It's alright like this. Here's a little feature because it was too big. We just can put it down and then we can close it. This is our light. We just can take it off and recharge it. But they are not very good. They don't last so long. We have to recharge it like every second day. And works out.
What a great couple they were, and we really enjoyed our time with them. You might have noticed that we were camping in the ruins of an old abandoned castle. You'll find out more about that in the next episode. Make sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss it. See you next time.
What do you think about the video? Do you guys like it? Share your thought below comment. It will help us a lot. Oh, if you like the video, hit the like button. It will give us the power to create more videos. If you're new to our channel, click here to subscribe and you will see more videos. Other videos will show here. If you missed our videos, click here to check it. Then, bye bye!